Today in our soap making class, we learned how to make candles. Here is a detailed process, including some essential tips to ensure your candles come out perfectly. For our candles, we use the following materials: paraffin wax, candle color dyes, fragrance oils, and of course our containers and our wicks. Here's a step-by-step process. Melting the wax. Start by melting the wax either in a double boiler or on a burner like we did. These methods ensure the wax melts evenly and prevents overheating, which can cause the wax to burn or discolor. Tips: stir the wax occasionally to speed up the melting process and ensure even heating. Then 2. Adding color. Once the wax is fully melted, add your chosen candle color dyes. Stir thoroughly until the color is fully incorporated and consistent throughout the wax. Tips: use the thermometer to monitor the temperature of the wax, aiming for around 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius when adding color. This helps the dye mix more effectively. 3. Adding fragrance. This step is crucial. The optimal temperature for adding fragrance oils is around 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. Adding it at this temperature ensures that the fragrance binds well with the wax, giving your candles a strong and lasting scent. The tip here is use high-quality fragrance oils or essential oils specifically designed for candle making to achieve the best scent through. Cooling and pouring. After adding the fragrance, allow the wax to cool slightly before pouring. The ideal pouring temperature for paraffin wax is around 130 degrees Fahrenheit or 54 degrees Celsius. Pouring at this temperature helps prevent the wax from cracking and ensures a smooth finish. Tip: pre-warm your candle container slightly to avoid any temperature shock that could cause the wax to pull away from the sides. Setting the wicks. As you pour the wax into your containers, make sure the wick is centered. Use a wick holder or a simple clothespin or peg to keep the wick in place until the wax sets. Tip here is trim the wick to about a 1/4 inch before burning the candle to ensure a clean, even burn and to prevent smoking. All of this is in preparation for our upcoming red carpet event. This event is a fundraiser to continue our service to Nottingham women, empowering them through artisan craft workshops. Our workshops are free to unemployed women, women with caring responsibilities, and those on low income living in Nottingham. We offer training in 5 areas: bag making, soap making, jewelry making, dress making, and millinery. Our sessions are available both in the mornings and afternoons. Come September 2024, we are starting new classes for all our workshops. If you're interested, register now. You can register on our website or you can send us an email at skills.hans.org@gmail.com and we will send you an e-application link to register for any of the workshops. The icing on the cake is that you get an NOCN certificate at the end of your training with us. Our workshops are divided into 2 parts. We have the long courses and the short courses, with our long courses lasting 24 weeks and our short courses lasting 12 weeks. Our long courses are dressmaking and jewelry making, whilst our short courses are bag making, soap making, and millinery. If you're interested, get in touch now. This year, the theme for our fundraising event is Threads of Triumph. This theme was chosen to symbolize the incredible journey of empowerment and skill development that our women have embarked upon. This is our 4th red carpet event and it promises to be spectacular with 3 activities in one: a fashion show, an exhibition, and an awards ceremony. In the fashion show, women in our dressmaking class will showcase the garments they've created, which will be modeled on the runway. During the awards ceremony, we will recognize and celebrate our women's commitment, dedication, and creativity whilst they were at skilled hands. The exhibition and sale will display the amazing works our women have done. A new addition this year is that we are giving 4 tables to women who have started small businesses using the skills they've learned. These women will have the opportunity to display their products and advertise their new businesses at the event. Let's all come together to support these women. This is a ticketed event with general tickets priced at £5 and VIP tickets at £10. VIP tickets include front seating, a glass of wine, and some finger foods. The red carpet event is scheduled for the 28th of September 2024 at the Janogly Theatre, Sherwood Rise, New Basford. The event will run from 1 o'clock p.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. We look forward to seeing you there. A massive thank you to everyone who has already started buying tickets and to everyone supporting and helping us put this event together. Your support is invaluable, and we can't wait to celebrate with you. See you at the event. Take care. Bye.